Find the equation of the line that passes through the point 2, -3 and has the slope of -5/4. So we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So here we have the point. This is x sub 1, y sub 1. Plug it in. So we have y minus y sub 1, so that is -3 is equal to the slope, so -5/4 times x minus x sub 1 is 2. Notice here that y and x we don't replace with any number. Simplify. So minus a -3, that is a +3. So we have y plus 3 is equal to, multiply -5/4 in, so -5/4 times x, that is -5x/4. -5/4 times -2, so this is -5/4 times -2/1. We can simplify this, so 2 go into 2 one time with that negative there, and 2 go into 4 two times. Negative times negative is a positive, so this is +5/2. So we have a plus 5/2. Get y best solve, so minus 3/, and we have y is equal to -5x/4, and then we have 5/2 minus 3, so this is 3/1. Common denominator is 2, so we need to multiply 3/1 top and bottom by 2, so we have 5/2 minus 6/2, which is -1/2. So we have minus 1/2. So this is our equation of the line. Find the equation of the line that passes through the given points 2, -5 and 4, 3. Here we are not given the slope, so we need to go and find the slope first. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Label our points. We have x1, y1, x2, y2, and plug it in. So y2 minus y1, so that is 3 minus a -5 over x2 minus x1, so 4 minus 2. 3 minus a -5, so that is 3 plus 5, so we have 8 over 4 minus 2, which is 2. 8 over 2, so we have 4. So the slope is 4. So the equation of the line, we have y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And here again, the y and the x, we don't replace it with any number. We only replace y sub 1 and replace x sub 1 as well as the slope. Out of the 2 points, 2, -5 and 4, 3, we can use either one of the points to plug it in, whichever one is easier. So here, because 4, 3 doesn't have negative, so we are going to use 4, 3 and plug it in. So we have y minus y1, so that is 3, is equal to the slope. So we have 4 times x minus x1, so that is 4. Simplify, so we have y minus 3 is equal to, multiply the 4 in, so 4 times x, so that is 4x. 4 times negative 4, so we have negative 16. Add 3 over, and we have y is equal to 4x minus 13 is our equation. Find the equation of the line that passes through the given points, negative 3, negative 10, and negative 3, 11. So with this, again, we don't have the slope. So let's get the slope first. The slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Label our points. We have x1, y1, x2, y2, and plug it in. So y2 minus y1. So we have 11 minus a negative 10 over x2 minus x1. So that is negative 3 minus a negative 3. 11 minus a negative 10, so that is 11 plus 10, so we have 21 over negative 3 minus a negative 3, so we have a negative 3 plus 3, so that is 0. So this here is undefined. The slope is undefined. That means that this is a vertical line. And the vertical line, we have the equation x equal to the x value, which is negative 3. So x equal to negative 3 is our line. Find the equation of the line that passes through the given points, negative 3, negative 6, and 8, negative 6. So let's get the slope first. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2, and plug it in. So y2 minus y1, so negative 6 minus a negative 6 over x2 minus x1, so 8 minus a negative 3. Negative 6 minus a negative 6, that is 0. 8 minus a negative 3, so we have 11. 0 over 11, so this is 0. Here the slope is 0, that means that this is a horizontal line. In the horizontal line, we have the equation y is equal to a y value, which is negative 6. So this is our equation.